In today's world, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether at home, offices, factories, commercial spaces, a well-maintained air conditioning system ensures a cool, productive, and stress-free environment. But keeping AC units running smoothly comes with its challenges. Unexpected breakdowns, missed inspections, vendor coordination, spare parts management, and scattered maintenance records. Managing all this through paper reports, WhatsApp groups, and spreadsheets, that's a thing of the past. So we are introducing Froid, the next generation digital solution for AC service and maintenance. Froid is seamlessly accessible across Android, iOS, and the web. Spreadsheet-based work tracking is time-consuming, confusing, leads to delays and customer frustration. Froid replaces multiple spreadsheets with a single application for work allocation, tracking, ticket closure, and more. Inefficient and flawed invoicing of paid tickets? With Froid, it is simple to track paid tickets which be invoiced to customers with proof of service, spares replaced, and any other service expenses. Losing track of warranty and AMC expiry? Froid keeps track of warranty and AMC expiry. AMC quotes can be created, edited, approved, and invoiced. Struggling to justify AMC renewals? Froid captures all the visit records, time logs, and generates complete reports to justify AMCs, and more. Supported by a specialized team always available to assist you, we offer the best customizable app for AC service and maintenance. Welcome to Froid. We help keep your customer cool.